There's two single leaves there that go on either side of the big doubles. You always need something for reference when you're putting it on a video to show how big it is.
Well, I'm 6'5", so as you can tell, this is massive.
Good morning. Monday already. Sun comes round, doesn't it? Not a bad day actually for once. Sun's getting out. I've just pulled up now. Started this job down at Armley, British Art Foundation. You might remember this, where this temporary fencing is. Where we're coming along here with some 2 metre V-mesh. And just starting there, and then just returning where they've got some little temporary gates there. They've actually cleared it all, so it's full of stuff here, so that's pretty good. We've just got some gates to go here. Well, you can see these ones here. I'll have to get padlocked for that, but they might not get to that today. So some gates there, and then it's returning there, and then there's a little gate just going there. Quite a simple job really. It took them about 18 months to get this passed with current landlord, so I'm just waiting on lads coming now. The one nipping to Manningham Concrete to get some cutting discs. They should be here soon. And then I've got to shoot back. I've got the dentist. Carl and Jacob are having to come with Jamie this morning because we've had a casualty. Usual suspects come down with a bad case of Monday'itis. You know, keeps getting it every few weeks. It must be a really bad case of it. Yeah, so Jacob and Carl having to jump in just to take over. But I would imagine miraculously this Monday'itis won't be on Tuesday. So should be okay rest of the week. So yeah, that's all I'll say on that matter.
Morning, Jacob.
Good morning.
It's Tuesday morning here. We ended up doing some fencing yesterday, which you should probably see on Mark's video. We're hoping Baggy's okay today. He was extremely poorly yesterday and couldn't make it in. So A-team had to muck in, didn't it?
Well, you know.
What's that face for?
What face? So you're on about me.
Yeah, so we're just on with a single leaf gate here. A narrow one, isn't it, Jacob?
It is. It is only 770 mil wide.
Let to breathe in through that one. So another one done. We've been out and measured up a big job as well, so we'll be probably starting that one tomorrow.
Well, crank posts.
Big combo gate. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Afternoon, crikey. Been one of those days today. So yeah, we just been up to this other school. We had a measure up there. I couldn't really get a video pinning it down, like I say. So Carl's going to start making the gates and everything. And we need some crank posts. And we thought we had the steel in. We just had a look and we got it in. So I'm going to have to order some steel. And I actually thought I had 2.4 panels in, enough to do the job, and I haven't. It was a V-mesh I've got in. I was thinking for some reason it was twin mesh. So I'm going to have to order some panels now. I've got a delivery coming this week and all. I'm just wondering if they can stick them on at the same time. So I'm just going to get on to them now and I'll see how we get on. Why, hello there. Good morning, young chap. Nice morning now. It were a bit cold this morning, but it's lovely now. The sun's out. I'm just in Horsforth actually. I'm just seeing a bit of a domestic job, a decent number actually. It's just outside of me here. I will try to get a video whilst I were sort of having a look at the job. Customer kept following me around. I will try to go out back and count and do a video, but he was just literally shadowing me. But anyway, it's not a bad job. There's about 20 odd sections of existing fencing to take down and replace with all new feathered edge and like a trellis on top and an option for a gravel board and stuff. Lovely house, big massive sort of detached house here. Yeah, so I will get back, work that one out and quote that one. Oh yeah, lads are not in today actually, because gates weren't ready to the job they were on. Flipping galvanisers again. They just make their own rules that we paid premium, so you're paying double to get it done quicker, which we normally, they call it either an overnight, or I think it's next working day or day after, whatever it is. So you pay either 25%, 50% or 75% more than the original price. So we did all that, and then goes to pick it up or rings them. Oh no, we've been inundated with work, and the premium's now 5 days or something. It's like, what? So the actual lead time now I think is 7 days or something. So what a nightmare. So yeah, so we're just waiting on them, so hopefully they'll be ready in the morning. We've got a couple of gates in with them at the minute, but we're actually going to take us next ones somewhere else, because we're literally working around the corner from there at the minute. We were going to use them last year, but we ended up staying where we normally go, as you do. So yeah, we're going to give them a try on this next one. And then we've got that other job coming up. We want some crank posts and some gates, combination gates, so we'll probably take them there as well.
We've been a little bit slow on the cham cam this week, haven't we, Jacob?
On the cham cam, I like that.
Yeah.
Cham cam, yeah, I like that.
We're on with some 8.5 metre combo gates. Nice big job. So my assistant, my glamorous assistant here, has cut pretty much most of the steel up. Lost a couple of drop boxes, lock boxes. We've got more steel coming tomorrow just to finish off one section. So yeah, all systems go. You alright down there?
Yeah, I've shrunk a bit, haven't I?
We've made some big gates today. 2 little ones to do tomorrow, then it's the weekend.
We've just got loaded up now. In fact, lads are just going to finish that job at British Art Foundation. Get rest of panels in, single gate, the gate posts for the big gate which is on the other van, and then we'll just go hang the gate tomorrow. I've got a little delivery coming today, so when they finish this job tomorrow there's another gate leaf there that they're going to do at a job. So yeah, it's starting to come in a bit now as the work, thank God. Been a bit slow. Nice sight seat, lads leaving, isn't it? Going to earn some money, thank God, we need it. Yeah, I'm just going to move some stuff about. I've got a little delivery coming, bit of black palisade, so I might even put that on Carl's trailer for now if it'll go on. They're coming on like a transit, so should be no problem. Just got a couple of decent jobs to quote actually, which I'm going to do very shortly. I'm just getting prepared so everything's frozen. Of course there's no heater or anything in here. Just the windscreen just keeps freezing up. See if Carl's got out in his little workshop here. Anyway, I shall see you later.
Alright, gates in, looking good. Corner bolted. Gates in. Fence line in.
Another early start, but it's Friday, Jacob.
Friday, early start, early finish.
Oh, we hope.
All big work.
We're on his last 2 gates, which are only singles, but we've used all the steel, so we've got enough for 1 gate frame. We've made the 2 massive leaves, but we can't finish the last leaf until the steel delivery comes, can we, Jacob?
That we can't, we need job.
No, but we really want it at Galf today, but last drop off's 2 o'clock.
So we're hoping and praying for an early delivery.
Yeah.
But you never know.
Never know. So we'll crack on, won't we? Think we're done, Jacob?
Still got some steel to cut left, but no, they're done.
And there's 2 single leaves there that go on either side of the big doubles.
It's not even look big on video. Where sat here thinking, try to lift gate leaves and it's going to look tiny on video.
You always need something for reference when you're putting it on a video to show how big it is.
Obviously I'm 6 foot.
You know, like them little, remember them little tiny Coke cans you used to be able to get?
Yeah.
They're pretty good.
Yeah. Well, I'm 6'5", so as you can tell, this is massive.
So, been a busy morning so far. Lads are just loading up, we're just going to finish. down at British Art Foundation. Have a good day, boys. And then after that, Clackeaton did a big job there last year. Wagon backed into one at Leaf, so that's the Leaf they've got up back at Van up top. I'm going to meet him there because we're going to repair that today, and then he's phoned up and said they're thinking of having them automated now, so I'll have to go and suss that out, see what they're after. But been busy, we had a delivery yesterday, Palisade, little job I've got to do at a school in school holidays in 2 weeks. We've had a post delivered, which are going to go start making his retaining wall for this bit round here, which might see if we can get them in next week. And then Gal's had a load of steel delivered. He's making some crank posts or whatever. Quite busy all in all. I'm just quoting a big job up now actually that I went to see yesterday, day before I think it was. I've just been waiting on a lot of pricing coming back from suppliers and stuff, so I'm going to get on with that. In fact, I'm halfway through it, to be honest, so I should have that finished in the next half an hour. Just making sure my numbers works and a lot of clearance works to do. That includes for digger hire and stuff like that, so yeah, I'll get on with that, and I shall catch you in a bit once I've done my admin. Going past Airedale, we did that one over the road. But we're at this one over the road. The wagon backed into that and bent all this leaf here. See it there, it's all knackered. The actual leaf's all bent as well. So we just put a new leaf on and just putting this fairing at the bottom just so there's not a massive gap. Pretty much done, we'll give it a spray and then we'll be done. Nice and easy, but they're actually on about automating these, so not quite sure what we'll do, but might have to come back with that when he's back next week and have a look at these. Oh yeah.